Hello friend, welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. My friend brought this 87 turbo diesel for a bunch of service, and let's start with this one. I'll show you something. Look at this. When he opens door, this is what happens. And you know what it means, right? The door check, which is there, is completely broken, right? The part which is right here, so we will replace it. Well, what do we need to do for a replacement? Unfortunately, I have to remove completely this door panel, so that will be part of this video. This car has a really beautiful interior in my opinion. The dash is perfectly looking, no cracks, nothing. This is also beautiful. He's taking care of it. It has nice surface. Unfortunately, this plasticky parts broke, so I will be also replacing that. But let's start at the removal with something really simple, like unscrewing this door lock knob. And here we go, it's off. Another super easy part should be this Phillips screw, which is holding this little trim here, right? So this is the screw, and you just grab this trim and put it away. Another part is the little lever, which is here for adjusting the mirror. I use little hook to remove piece of plastic, which is right here, and when you do that, you are able to pull this lever off. I hope you are able to see it. It's kind of challenging with the space, camera and lighting. Here is the detail of these two parts as I just separated them, right? After I remove that lever, I should be able to remove that entire cover, which is right here. Now there is the bolt holding this handle, right? It's underneath this trim. Before there was a bolt right there on W123, but W124 just basically grab this whole trim and carefully remove it this way. And you will see we will get to that bolt. It's right here. That was easy, wasn't it? As you expected, that bolt is 10mm socket. That rain is crazy, right? The winter doesn't want to stop, apparently, yet. And normally this handle will be holding to the door panel, but because it's broken, it's separated. I will go ahead and pull carefully away these seat controls, right? You carefully slide them. And after they are off, I can remove this trim, right? Carefully. And I'm freeing this entire panel and getting it ready for removal. Now I will separate the door panel from underneath this handle. I will be finally able to start lifting it up. You can also go ahead and pop the slide on the bottom and disconnect that. Make sure the contacts don't touch each other, obviously. And basically when you removed all of that, you just need to lift it up, making sure you don't break these pins for that switch. Right? And when you do that, oh yeah, it should fall apart. You will disconnect those electric connectors and you will see the whole back of this door panel. I will show you detail of both sides, right? So this is for W124, this is staying, right? You're leaving it here. You are not disconnecting these, right, like it was on previous generation. And these are the areas when the hooks are hooking to, right? It's right here. And I will show you on the back of the door panel those hooks. And here is the back of the door panel. This is towards the front, and here is the detail of those hooks, right? Another one is here. Another one, big one, is right here. Will this help? I don't know. Lighting. This one is broken off. Here is one which has a white color. So that's why when we are removing this door panel, we have to lift it up. And as we discussed, this is the other side. This is all broken, unfortunately, right? And I will be trying to fix it for my friend so he can keep using it again without spending too much money on replacement. And that was it for the door panel removal. The next video I will start right now. It's about replacing that failed door check. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.